Mommy, you know what I learned at school today? Today I learned OA and OW. You know that? See, let me tell you a word. LOAC. So, L will tell his sound and O will say his name and A will be quiet, he'll be sleeping. So don't even think about it. And then C will say his sound again. So can you read? LOC. Can you read that? Just read LOC. Don't even think about E.
Where is A in it?
A is going to sleep. L will say his sound. O will say his name like O. Just O. And then C will say sound again. E. O. K. Look. And now O. W. So, let me tell you a word. LOWC. I mean L. LOWL. So, just like A, W is also going to sleep. He's going to sleep, and then N will say his sound, and O will say his name, O. And then, what did I say? L, right? I will say his sound again, L. So, O, L. O, L. No. Like that. W and A is sleeping with O. Okay? And then O will say his name. And then the other letters only sound. Okay? So try to read. A-O-W. Okay, let me tell you a word. Like Z-O-W-R. So W is going to sleep, and don't even think about W. W is even not coming in the word. He's quiet. Okay. Tell me a word that is Z-O-R. 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 Zor. Okay? Like that you have to blend it, and one letter have to be going to sleep. That is what OA-OW is called.